Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last couple of episodes, I shared with you guys what I've been doing to create a fabulous studio for me. And in this episode, I'll be rounding up that series by showing you guys how I manage my pesky wire situation. And hopefully you guys can get a few tips and tricks from this video to help you manage yours, because I know that cable headache is a universal problem. So if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and also hit that notification bell so you know whenever I have a new content for you. And without much ado, let's get into the video. So my main objective is to get the wires in clean bundles and out of sight. And for that, your biggest tool is going to be the underside of your table. So you need an extension box that has more ports than you currently need and has grooves in the back side that allows you to wall mount it. You need double-sided glue tapes. You need wire or cable staples. You need screws for mounting the extension box to the wall. And the most important thing for me is the duct tape that allows you to hold all of the wires together and also to glue your wire bunch on the underside of your table. Now, this is not very critical, but consider getting docking station, especially if you have dual monitors and external devices. This will come in very handy because it allows you to have a central place for all of your cables to connect to, and they don't all need to come and connect into your computer. And these days, most computers don't have enough ports anyways. So here is the before and after, and it definitely gives me a lot of joy to not see those messy wires every day when I come into my studio. And there you have it, guys. Quick and easy tip for organizing your cable. Do not forget to like and subscribe. It helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. I will see you guys on my next video.